What's up, all of you? Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google, my mama, my papa, everybody. Hey, listen, it is Monday, November 9th, 2020. We got a beautiful sunset going on right over here. We got a plane overhead, flying right overhead, right over my head, right there, if you can see it. I don't know if there's any people jumping out of it. And we're at the rooftop pool. We're hanging out. So listen, I want you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to keep it real simple. I want you to smash the like button, click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel. In about 10 minutes, I'm going to show you one way you can sell my product 10 times a day and make $1,000 a day or more. Let's go. Okay, so here's how it works. The first thing I do is I run an ad all over social media, Facebook, Instagram. When you run an ad on Facebook, you get the ad on Instagram for free. They put it on Instagram as well. So you get 2 ads for the price of 1. Got it? The second thing I do is if the ad works, you have to test everything, right? Test. If the ad works within 3 days, I get about a 15% conversion, and we'll talk about conversions later, which means if I get 10,000 people who view that ad and 15% click on the ad, that's called a conversion, a click-through rate, CTR, click-through rate. And I teach all this in my training and my mentoring. So 15% of 10,000, that's actually a lot of people. That's a high conversion. I don't care what anybody tells you. If they say, oh, that sucks, they're full of shit. They don't know what they're talking about. They're not spending money on ads. I spend a lot of money on ads. So 15% of 10,000 is 1,500 people. 1,500 people click on the ad, and then they go watch another video just like you're watching right now, this video. Got it? So after they watch another video like this one, or a webinar, I say, look, if you would like me to teach you how to make more money online using my system, the #1 system I learned from internet millionaires, multimillionaires, and I'll give you names later, Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, Ty Lopez, Frank Kern, all the top people in the world. Hold on, baby, I'm doing a video, I'll be right back. And then I say I can show you how to copy their system because I copied their system, and you're going to sell my product for $1. That's the first product we sell, and then we start making money, and then it gets bigger and better from there. So keep watching here. The next product, I sell a $1 product, okay? And then everybody buys this product. I sell it all over the world in about 38 countries on the internet, online, obviously, through social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Google, YouTube, every form of social media. Now, you might have somebody on Facebook, and that you have another person who buys your product for $1, and then you have another person on LinkedIn, and they buy your product for $1, but they're not on Facebook. So you have to cover all your social media apps. That's business. However, the person on Facebook who bought your product for $1, they don't buy the next product for $10, but the person on LinkedIn buys the product for $10 because they have more money, and that's what you want. Because I'm about to show you how to sell them a $100,000 product at the end of this video and make, it's not your product, it's my product, sell my product. I'll pay you a 10% commission on that $100,000 product if you market it for me, which is $10,000. And I'll show you how to do it a couple times a month. How about that? So what happens is I sell the $1 product, and then I have people say, I'm interested in your next product, which is a $10 product. Now, these are all training video courses, online video courses, training people how to make money online, doing exactly what I'm telling you how to do. And out of the 10,000 people that buy the $1 product, which is $10,000 I just made 10 grand. And this is sometimes daily, sometimes weekly, sometimes monthly. But usually every day or 2 or 3, I have 10,000 people who buy a $1 product, which is my ebook. It's a book. It takes about 15 minutes to read it, and it teaches you how to set up the exact system I'm teaching you right now, which is how to sell a $1 product, a $10 product, a $100 product, a $1,000 product, and then a $10,000 product, and then a $100,000 product. I even have a $1 million product. Keep watching. So what happens is I have 10,000 people who buy the $1 product. Then they buy the $10 product, only about 10%. 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. So 1,000 people buy the $10 product. I made another 1,000 times 10, which is $10,000 on the second product. So then out of those people, I email them and text them and I say, hey, I have another amazing product, but it is $100. And the $100 product, 10% of only 1,000 people, which is 100 people, 100 people buy the next product, which is $100. So 100 people buy a $100 product, which is another online training video course, showing them exactly how to do it and do exactly what I'm showing you how to do right here, which is sell my system and make a lot of money selling $1, $10, $100, $10,000, $1,000, $10,000, and $100,000 products, which I have. You can just sell my products through affiliate marketing. I'll pay you commission, which is all 50% across the board. I pay you 50% commission. And then out of that 1,000 people, 10%, which is 100, buy the next product, which is $100. So what's 100 times 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, another $10,000. So then I sell the next product, which is a $1,000 product, to only 10% of the 100, which is only 10 people, and then 10 people buy the $1,000 product, which is another $10,000. It just keeps getting better, guys. This is how you make money online. If you're interested, smash the like button, click the notification bell, comment, send me a comment, say, James, I'm interested, I'm in. Send me your email, send me your cell phone number, send me your info. I will contact you, I will get you on the system immediately, and you can start making a lot of money with me. Got it? So the last part of this is this, and I'm going to end this video with this. Out of the 100 people who just bought my $1,000 product, $100 product, 10% of the 100, which is 10, bought the $1,000 product, and then 10% of the 100, which is only 10, buy the next product, which is $10,000. And I'm telling you, they do, and they do it every month. I do this. 10 people buy my $10,000 product, which is $100,000 a month selling my products. If you're interested, comment below and say, James, just show me how to do it, please. I will spend complimentary, no charge, for free on the phone with you live for 1 hour, and I will show you exactly how to set this up. You want to make $100,000 a month? You need to contact me right now. Comment right now. Don't waste your time, and don't be a hater, and don't listen to all the negative bullshit on the internet. Stop watching videos and start making